Oh my God, Charlie, are you baby?
I'm good. I don't need to say it. I'm good. I'm good. I'm fine.
Charlie, come on, Charlie. I'm here to
I'm
help.
fine.
I'm here
no,
to help.
I'm not fine.
Oh my God.
Who is it? Who is it?
Say it's the tax people.
The taxes. You can't come in.
Tell him we're gonna fucking kill his entire family if he doesn't let us in.
We have cookies.
I'm calling a meeting of the council.
Okay.
You did this to us, Bisley.
That's what the world wants you to think, Condi.
The chickens, they tore me apart. The chicken
made death
ripped
liquid
my
everywhere.
finger
Shut
off.
the fuck up.
As far as I'm concerned, the only innocent party here is me.
Oh, we'll get to you!
Yeah, no, we
Okay,
won't.
okay.
Have you seen the
All
rest
of
of the
this
world? We're not
aside,
getting there.
All of this aside, Charlie,
We can't make a fucking crafting table.
Gentlemen.
I say, let's put it all on him. Let's
Tell
put it
me-
all on him.
hey,
Hey, why did you do this to us?
How
could you be so...
Meeting is officially adjourned.
Why me?
That's fucked up. You're fucked up. Why are you so fucked up?
Go say hi to the
Shouldn't have
bears.
done that.
Andy,
Yeah, what's up, man?
got any complaints you'd like to raise before we go back down there again?
Not at all, actually. I think you're doing a great job. Let's head down.
Wow, I'm impressed. And all you gotta do is say my name 3 times. 3 times in a row. It must be spoken unbroken. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Beetlejuice.
Yeah.
Beetlejuice.